I'm on 2015 Subaru Forester, but none of its keys are working right now. You can see the remotes. And I try to turn on the car. No reply. Okay, so we are trying to reset the smart box using X100PAD ELITE. So Subaru. Program keys, select from vehicle, America, Forester, smart key, reset smart box. All key will be erased in process and we'll be programming it after that. Open the driver's side door, press OK to continue. Okay. Requires internet connection. Yeah, this is connected. This will be around a 15-minute process, so we'll just wait. Okay, so after 15 minutes away, it says reset successfully. So now we are just adding new keys. Ignition on. Okay, to continue. Put each key to be programmed close to the start button. Yeah, you can hear beeps. And another one. Okay, so two of them. So now two of them beeps. Press OK to continue. Now we'll just key number. Okay, so now we're okay. So success for 2015 Subaru Forester.